PT.2. I'm Avery.
I'm Peyton.
I'm Abigail.
I'm Kristen.
I'm Abby.
And let's get to it. Yeah, it's all 5 of us today. So Abby gets to pick first. Close your eyes, look up. Right there. You got it. In there.
In!
Close your eyes, Kristen, look up.
She got out.
I hope you all get
Oh. Okay, food coloring. We got orange, purple, pink, teal.
I'm going first.
You didn't know.
Yeah, I want teal. I want.
Close your eyes. Look up.
I want teal. I want.
Close your eyes. Look up. Close your eyes.
Pink. Not fair.
Already got pink. Teal. Let's go.
Dang it, I want teal.
Orange. So you got purple. Okay, so we're gonna put our food coloring in.
Did you get pink again, Avery?
Yeah. I did.
Okay, so I got orange.
I got teal.
I got purple.
I got white.
Yep,
I got unfairly.
And so we're just mixing. Okay, I'm done mixing.
I'm done mixing.
So now we're going to do shaving cream. Are you?
No,
in?
you gotta do glitter.
No, we're doing shaving cream. Okay, now we're doing shaving cream. Are you
I don't
in
get shaving cream.
or are you out?
Now I'm gonna have 2 pink slimes.
Starting with Abby. Close your eyes. Look up.
This is the worst.
In. Look up.
I'm gonna go crazy on this slime.
And you got out.
Oh, out.
Alright, so we
No shaving cream for me.
How about next time we all like close it and at the very end we all open it? So
Well,
we don't
yeah.
know.
Alright.
So we don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, we do it first.
Okay, where's the shaving cream? Here you go.
Okay, everyone gets shaving cream except for me. I just get orange slime. Okay, so now that we've got shaving cream, we are going to move on to glitter.
Yay!
And are you in or are you out?
I need more shaving cream.
Last time I got plain white slime, no food coloring, no glitter, so we're going to see how this goes. Avery, you ready? Don't open it yet, okay? Okay, ready?
Let it out.
Okay, you guys aren't ready. Abby gets to
It's
start.
gonna look
Oh, wait, no,
just
Abby's
like
not ready
yours.
either.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Okay, look up. Don't open it. Don't open it. Don't open it. I need more shaving cream. Don't open it.
Overall.
I'll get out, I swear it's gonna win. Okay, Abigail from last
Don't open it.
round.
Don't open it. I just said don't open it.
I hope
I
I
didn't
didn't
get
get
in.
to be honest.
Ready,
I got
set,
out.
go.
I got in.
I got in.
Dang it,
Okay, now we get to pick the color.
Glitter
so
I want to be out.
I didn't get
I don't
glitter
want
or
glitter.
food coloring last time. This is so exciting.
Yo,
Okay.
look at my color.
Okay, so who gets to start? Abby gets to start. Abby, look up.
Any glitter will look good with this.
Blue.
Look up.
I'm gonna add a lot of glitter. Wait, what? Orange! I got blue.
Yellow.
You've gotta be kidding me.
Yellow.
I got that freaking green.
I got yellow and
I don't
orange
know why.
slime.
Yo, at least y'all did. That looks just like my slime.
Hey, at least y'all didn't bring green over here.
I got
Blue
orange.
and green is not that bad, Peyton. So now we're gonna go with the activator and see how these slimes turn out. So Abby and Kristen have already started eating. Abby, you can scoot in the camera a little bit now. I've already started eating. I have not.
Oh my gosh, my spoon's stuck.
Yo, I just
still
took off the
liquid.
lid, not thinking that there's a hole in it. Again.
Okay, so
Oh, mine's super
more
fluffy.
activator I need.
I still
Avery,
have my
Wait,
slime.
you're like thinking.
Avery's got a fluffy slime. That's what she's going for. Peyton is going for.
I went for
kind of
trashing
we're
my
looking
slime.
for.
No.
But then I didn't get any slime.
Mine's already done.
I like Kristen. It's so pretty.
I know. Oh, and guys, this is not. We're gonna be doing more slime videos coming up because we got a bunch of gallons of glue. So if you like slime videos, please make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. So you know when we're posting that.
Mine's coming out.
Mine's coming together.
Oh my god. Look at mine.
I always have a problem with my slime being sticky stuff. Okay, so we got some lotion maybe to help us, but mine doesn't look like it needs help.
Lotion makes it more stretchy and soft.
Yeah, that's why I got it.
I need some more shaving cream.
Can you just like douse the bar of some? I mean, the water on it. Can somebody please put that on?
You should probably do more.
I will. You can still.
Oh, dude, my hair.
Peyton, you can still. I've been doing this. So, I think we know who's not coming in.
Like,
Oh
my
You
gosh.
need to take off your freaking.
Yeah, you should have took off your ring. Like,
Oh
my
You
gosh.
need to take off your freaking.
Yeah, you should have took off your ring.
Dude, you should add rocks in your hands.
Mine's so good. I like the
Wait, can I have some more lotion?
Yeah.
Yo, my hair.
Can I have some lotion too? I don't.
Mine is so stretchy.
Mine is not.
Mine's
Mine's
really
really stretchy and really fluffy.
Mine's really stretchy.
Just wait for the
It's not
blindfolded slime challenge, guys.
You should
The
be-
blindfolded,
that's so
yeah,
fun.
blindfolded slime challenge will be coming up. We will be doing that shortly.
So make sure you subscribe.
Make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell again so that you can
You know when
you
it
know
comes
when
up.
it's posted.
You know what it is.
So here's mine.
Yeah, we should have
It's
this salon.
super fluffy compared to theirs, and look, it's super stretchy.
Comment down below.
There you go. Yeah, well, comment down below if you think we should change our name
To the pack.
to the
To
five
the
pack.
PAAA.
To the 5.
To the
To
five
the
pack.
five.
I'm just rolling it. You know what I said yesterday? What we should change our name to?
What?
Is the 5 Dainty Girls.
Oh my gosh.
It's like, I was like, that's not doesn't even make sense.
As Dainty Girls. Dainty?
Dainty means dangerous. We all just think.
The 5 dangerous girls.
You're just so sick. You got it on my
Okay, I think we're done. Let's do a slime all of our slime.
Okay, we're doing a slime reveal. Avery can go up there and go first and show you her slime. Or did you already do that?
Not ready.
Okay, Peyton, go
Not
show them
ready.
your slime. Oh my gosh, Abby, you go ahead up there.
Okay. So if you, mine is like,
Crouch down so you can see your face.
mine is, mine's purple with blue sparkles. See? And it's really stretchy.
Oh no.
It's not really fluffy
I
as much
know.
as Avery's.
So comment Abby. Comment Abby.
Comment ABBIE. That's how you spell my name.
If you think she did the best.
Comment down below, because I did win.
Okay, and then Abigail, if you think I did the best. Kristen, if you think she did the best. Peyton, if you think she did the best. And Avery, if you think she did the best. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Be ready for more slime videos coming up. Please make sure to subscribe and follow our Instagram at @dudette_perfect5. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys. Check out our videos next week. Bye.